The thing that makes our undergraduate program unique is the small student size and the fact that students get a close engagement with the faculty. We already have a very well-established, top-notch graduate program where students are closely engaged with faculty during their stay here. We take a similar experience and offer that to the undergraduates. In terms of their experience from the RISE business professors in the classroom, they are going to take what's happening currently around them and give a framework for them to process and think through the business problems that the world is facing. The faculty put great effort in making sure that the curriculum is current. They take real-world events that's happening around us right now and they bring it to the classroom. Students coming into our undergraduate program can be easily successful if they have a high level of intellectual curiosity and are willing to put in a hard work to cover the courses that they are getting here at RISE. We are going to offer them the world of business, and it's up to them to drink from the fire hose, if you will, and then try to apply that to what they see around them. This process of looking at what's happening around them and trying to relate to what's happening within the classroom is going to make for an enriching and a great learning experience and hence a successful outcome in business career.